survival knife I made from a popsicle stick. But before we get into it, I'll show you the build process. I've been wanting some more survival knives for my action figures, so I kind of started with this basic survival knife shape and started the putting teeth in it for the sawback. Created a handguard out of the same piece of popsicle stick. I'll end up cutting this down a little bit and shaping it, and built up the handle with some more wood. This being a dowel that I just cut a slice in. When making the sawback, I ended up busting off some teeth, so I just went with it and created some more cutting edges. Finished it up with some silver and black Sharpie, and then colored the handguard with a copper. I decided to go an extra mile and make a sheath for it. I wasn't too happy with this leather, but I used it anyways. Sewed it together with wax string, and it turned out okay. I might eventually redo the leather sheath. After putting super glue on the string that I used for the handle, it turned it white, but I recolored it with a black Sharpie. And it turned out nice. I really like the shape of the blade here, especially in the front portions, that kind of harpoon look. I think it turns out really nice. I really like survival knives. I think they're a great addition to any adventure team, especially with one with multiple cutting surfaces. I think I'll end up redoing the sheath eventually. I didn't have enough leather, so I think I'll eventually find some more leather and try another stylish sheath. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. I liked it. And it was fun to make too. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.